Okay, so here we are. This is the production area. And this is our production line. We've already finished one production for our American client. So as you see, here is empty. Now it's lunchtime here. So I just want to show you for our clients' factories, but I also left a 3 person to help me show you how to produce this product, okay? And now we're today coming with another part is for the wall lamp, which the part is hanging there, and this is only one part. Let's look at this. So this is for one of the clients for the round light, pathway light. This is very heavy, and as the client require, see this is very stronger and big. This is 2.5 square meters for this cable. It's very strong. Okay, and here is a client of Italia. This is a product which is ready for shipping. It's underground light and it's for an Italian client. We're packing in a good way to make this product more steady. It's 6 volt and the AC/DC 12, and it's 65,000 K. 6 volt. Yeah. And today we just finished another client's product, and it's empty right here now. It's very clear and very clean. So if you have more information, if you have more questions, please just let me know. Send me emails and call me. You have my number in our website. So see you next time. Bye bye.